Let's make a vegan samurai burger. Now, if you've never heard of this burger, it's made by McDonald's and it's popular in a bunch of Asian countries like Singapore and Malaysia. It's super simple and delicious, and one of the things I love about it is brushing on this teriyaki sauce, which is a super good move. Next, we're going to make a zip-zapping sauce with vegan mayo, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. This sauce is super good, so give it a liberal slathering on your top bun, and then it's just time to assemble with some aesthetic drippy drips on that lettuce, the top bun, and you are good to go.